In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the guidelines inside Figma Make. Guidelines are extremely powerful because they tell the AI how you want it to think, design, and generate your layouts. Instead of getting generic or inconsistent results, guidelines help the model follow your rules, whether that's using responsive layouts, keeping code clean, or maintaining a certain design style. Figma describes guidelines as a way to give the AI system level instructions. You can provide rules about layout behavior, coding practices, accessibility, naming conventions, or any constraints you want the model to respect. But it's important to keep these guidelines focused. Adding too much information can confuse the AI, so you'll get better results by giving it only the most essential rules you want it to follow. Now let's walk through how to adjust your guidelines. Start by opening your Figma Make file. Once the file loads, look toward the top right corner and click on Settings. This is where all the AI configuration options live for your project. In the Settings panel, you'll see a section called Guidelines. Click on it to open your project's guideline document. Inside this area, you can edit or rewrite the instructions the AI will follow. For example, you can tell it to avoid absolute positioning, prefer flexbox or grid layouts, keep file sizes small, or refactor code when generating components. You can create your own sections, rewrite the existing ones, or format the file however you like. The AI will read this document every time it generates output inside your Make file. Once you finish editing the guidelines, simply close the panel. Your updates are saved automatically, and the next time you generate layouts, screens, or code, the AI will follow the rules you've written here. And that's all you need to do. Open your Make file, go to Settings, and adjust your guidelines to shape how the AI builds your designs.